Welcome everybody to Drone Racers Warehouse in Paul Georgia at the Tanger Outlets. I want to invite y'all to come to my store and check me out. One of the things I want to show y'all, especially the young crowd, are these goggles. These are DJI goggles. These are analog goggles. And you use these goggles to see out of the cockpit of the vehicle, the drone that you're flying, or the car, or whatever it is that you're operating. You put one of these cameras. This is a digital camera. It allows you to see digital images, but you install that camera on one of these drones and put it in here. Or we have analog, which is, it's not digital, it's analog video. It's kind of grainy, but it's a lot more affordable than digital. So when you buy your goggles, you have to choose between the quality of the image that you're getting, depending on how much money you have. But now technology is so good, the analog, which is the cheap, is now getting so good and crystal clear that it's being more affordable. So guys, I want to invite you to come to the store, put these goggles on, and immerse yourself in the cockpit of a drone. You can fly your drone wherever you want. This guy here that we're watching is flying his drone down a mountain. So if you were controlling your drone with your controller, which I have plenty of controllers, guys, you need one of these. And then I can build you a custom vehicle. These are 10-inch frames. We build these drones here at the Drone Racers Warehouse. We install ESCs. I have motors. We put motors on them, any kind of motor you want, and telemetry. You know, if you want crossfire or if you want Radio Master, there's a brand new system out that Radio Master has. It switches from 900 megahertz to 125, and Radio Master has a brand new radio out that's amazing, guys. And I want you to come to my store, check everything out. Suite 372 Tanger Outlets. I'm facing I-95. I'm in the very back. So when you come to the Tanger Outlets, you got to go to the back of the store by the steakhouse and Rack Room Shoes. And you'll see Suite 372. Come check me out, guys. Drone Racers Warehouse. I've sold a lot of drones. I'm doing really well. I'm still putting stuff out on the shelves. I got a lot of props I got to put out. A lot of tiny parts. But your visit will mean the world to me. So I'm open, guys. Come see me, and Happy New Year.